A leaked internal beta for Gemini 3.5 Pro has surfaced. The technical documentation included in this leak describes the model as a complete, ground-up rebuild of the underlying engine. By following this walkthrough, you will learn how to initialize this new architecture, leverage the full 2 million token context window, and deploy the specialized reasoning engine. This is the specific interface developers are using to test the model's new capabilities. Learning the setup sequence today ensures you can use the system's high-capacity features as soon as they reach the public. Most users will miss the new features because the interface defaults to the legacy Gemini 1.5 Pro model. To access the updated engine, open the model settings in the right sidebar and scroll past the standard options. You must manually select the option labeled Gemini 3.5 Pro New Foundation. This initializes the engine on the rebuilt framework rather than the old one. Activating this specific foundation is the only way to enable the advanced processing parameters required for massive datasets. This engine supports a 2 million token context window. In practical terms, that means you can upload the equivalent of 5 full-length novels into a single prompt for simultaneous analysis. Instead of uploading files individually, the system is designed to ingest entire master directories. You can drag in a 1 million-word archive all at once. Before running your prompt, check the token counter at the bottom of the screen. This allows you to verify that the engine has successfully parsed the entire archive. When the analysis is complete, you can move the structured data out of the chat and into a permanent file using the Export to Docs button. This bulk processing workflow allows for a global analysis of your data, removing the need to manage fragmented, smaller conversations. For complex logic, the model includes a mode called Deep Think. This is a specialized reasoning parameter designed for multi-step tasks. You can find this in the sidebar under Advanced Generation Parameters. Slide the toggle to enable step-by-step reasoning. In this mode, the AI is forced to audit its own logic. It calculates a baseline and verifies edge cases before it ever provides an answer. This internal verification makes it possible to generate highly structured outputs, like this onboarding flowchart, with consistent logical timing. Because this process takes more compute time, you should reserve DeepThink for difficult coding, math, or structural logic problems. Standard AI models often fail when asked to solve complex syntax or manage recursive code loops. The 3.5 Pro engine provides more stability here, successfully executing programmatic problems that previously resulted in parsing errors. This capability also improves visual design tasks, as the model can now generate sophisticated web layouts. It uses a live preview window to render interface code immediately, allowing you to see the UI as it is being built. The model can also generate graphics by writing vector code rather than generating static pixel data. This results in sharp, fully realized vector graphics that can scale to any size without losing quality. For developers, the system is capable of managing interactive logic across a multi-file file structure. It can link external media assets, such as sound effects, directly into the code loops it writes. By integrating design, logic, and media, the platform functions as a unified environment for rapid production. To prepare for the launch, you should start consolidating your scattered documents into a single organized root directory today. While official dates have not been announced, leaked calendar data suggests we look toward mid-July for a public rollout. Remember the 4 pillars. Use the rebuilt foundation model, leverage the 2 million token window, enable Deep Think for logic, and consolidate your local files. Organizing your data now is the most effective way to utilize this architecture the moment it becomes available. Download the checklist below and subscribe for more walkthroughs.